Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Apollo IO, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create an Apollo IO account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for Apollo IO anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a sales organization, or maybe you're running an online business doing B2B sales, Apollo IO is a popular way to gather those leads and information, especially if you're going to be doing cold email outreach. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in apollo.io. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already pulled up their website, and this is the homepage. Now, in order to sign up for Apollo IO, they have free plans and paid plans, which we're going to go over in a minute. So first, what you want to do is go ahead and click up here on the top right, sign up for free. If you don't see that for some reason, you can click on this orange button right here, sign up for free. Okay, in order to sign up for Apollo IO, you do need to enter in your work email right here and then click sign up for free, or you can sign up with your Google or Microsoft login. Here they do let you know there's 210 million contacts in their database. So let me go ahead and enter my email in off screen. All right, so after entering in my information, it brings you here to their welcome screen. So it's just a video of them talking about the benefits of Apollo IO. So let me click on next. Next, in order to sign up for Apollo IO, they're going to ask you a few questions. So first they're asking what my job title is. So let me go ahead and just click marketer and then continue. Now they're asking what I will be using Apollo IO for. So find and get in touch with leads and explore what Apollo has to offer and click continue. Okay, next it brings me here to my dashboard. So now I can go ahead and start going through their database and looking for a prospect and start building out my list. Now, if you decide you want to go ahead and sign up for the paid plan, you're going to click down here on settings. Once you click on settings, click over here on the left billing. Once you do that, it's going to see a drop down and click on plan overview. Okay, so as you can see, it's free to sign up, but it's going to be limited, especially if you're using a Gmail like I am. If you're using a corporate email, you're going to get a lot more credits for your free account. But if you want to sign up for the paid account, you're going to click up here, purchase plan. Okay, so here you can go ahead and see the difference between the different price plans, so annual and monthly. So you do get a 20% discount if you sign up and pay for the year. And then down a little bit further, it's going to show you what the differences are between these plans. The biggest difference between these plans is going to be how many of the contacts you're going to be able to export each month. So for the basic, it's 1,000. If it's free, it's only 10. And then if you're running an organization, 149 per month, you can export up to 4,000 contacts. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create an Apollo IO account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.